Get ready to be amazed because this the might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it saves you so much time. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly a complete game changer for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for the right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed because this the